My tip in business always to start somewhere. Everything grows. My name is Tangela and my food trailer is Juice Bar Miami. The food trailer or concession trailer is a mobile juice bar. We're doing tropical exotic fruit, like a star fruit, a dragon fruit, a passion. One thing that I'm really excited about is we have a sugarcane press. Something that's different than you see at normal juice bars is that we'll have sugarcane juices and sugarcane juice fusions. And then we're also gonna do fruit bowls. My experience with One Fact Frog has been amazing. And I started essentially from just the idea. So they have helped me construct the design of the trailer, the inside layout, and also the wrap. Like I said, it's been a great experience.